What year 2024 will be like for you? This is Monkey 2024 forecast. Earth Monkey 1968. If you were born between January 30th, 1968 to February 16th, 1969, this year is one of stability and expansion for Earth monkeys. Your perseverance will pay off, and you might get credit for your job. It's critical to keep a good outlook and refrain from obsessing about little issues. Spend some time unwinding and relishing life's pleasures. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You guys are awesome. Kindly support this channel. Stay healthy, and God bless everyone. Cheers. Please watch the other videos on this channel and share it with your friends. Until next time, take care, guys. God loves you so much. Continue to be kind and spread happiness throughout the universe. Thank you, guys. You are amazing. You are strong. You are determined. Believe in yourself at all times. Please take note wherever you are. Whatever you do, always remember Summer Winter Channel. Love, 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 love.